LDRSMP is a globally recognized scalp micropigmentation training academy.
Leaders is one of the best SMP academies with the most advanced and innovative techniques. Students learn how to do in-person consultations, how to determine each skin types, how to draw different hairlines, how to work on their hand pressure and consistency to master the right depth.
We're in the Leaders SMP class right now. I've been waiting to take this class and I'm really excited to get started.
The fact that I go from theory to working on a live model in 3 days is pretty insane because it's a lot of information.
Whether you're enrolled in one of our fundamental classes or our master classes, we provide the best education for you and your success in the scalp micropigmentation world.
We're working on live models today. They're the best of the best, so they really show you exactly what they're doing.
And what happens when you do that and you don't dilute it, eventually, just like a tattoo, it turns blue.
We will also cover the important concepts like hairline design, scar camouflage, and how to market yourself.
So let's pretend this is the eyebrows, 1.5 inch. And you're gonna measure from this line. All you have to do is go lower to blend it into natural hair.
But this is a good guideline, at least you have something to work with. And achieve realistic results. So now to get it centered, we always have to step back. Here we add pressure down on his face. I can feel the bone. 2 fingers at a 45-degree angle. Because now when I go to the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing.
And go 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch the skin, 1, 2, 3.
We'll cover the entire process from consultation to aftercare so that you'll be fully prepared to work with clients in the real world.
We can't wait to see you in our next class.